Okay, so welcome back to this course. So now handle this delete button. Okay, so simply go back to my VS Code. Let's close this one, and also this one. I simply go to the constants and the order constants, and let's copy these four. So copy and paste that here, and just replace this delete update with the delete. Simply save it. Go back and in the reducers, order reducers, let's copy these four, put that here, and oops, this is the update, so copy these four, so Control C, put that here and replace it with the delete. And now at the bottom I simply have to first of all put in here the delete order request, and for the delete order success I simply put in here delete order success. As I have here is deleted to action or payload, and then for the reset I do the same thing. The error is going to be same, so that is delete order fail, and I simply copy this one, paste it, that is delete order reset, and set is deleted to false. Save it, and now if I go back, let's copy these fours. I go to the actions, order actions, and let's bring them in. I don't need here reset, so I go to top bottom, and let's copy this one. So Control C, put that here, and that is delete order. Okay, and we have to pass in the ID of that order. Okay, we have to remove this get state, and also from here, so let's replace this with the delete. I don't need to send here the config, so that will be delete request. Okay, then API v1 admin order, the ID of that order that I want to delete, and then data.success, and that's it. Simply save it. I go back to my admin list orders, where it is order list, and go to the top, and first of all enable this, that is delete order. Okay, then I simply pull out from here const is deleted from the state, so state dot order, and I check that if I deleted it, so I simply have to enable it. So if it is deleted successfully, I simply type here that order deleted successfully. I go to /admin/orders, and then the delete order reset, and then after that I also have to put in here is deleted right here, and also put in here the history. Okay, and then let's get our delete handler. So let's put in here const delete order handler equals to, have to pass in the ID, and simply dispatch here dispatch delete order and pass in the ID. I also have to bring in this, so that is here. Okay, so now I simply go in here, so on click I simply have to call here the delete order handler, and the handler I have to pass in the ID. So I simply put it here, order dot underscore ID. Simply save it. Unstructured use of history, so I have to bring in the history also. So save it. And now if I go back, reload the page, and let's actually delete the first one. If I click on delete, you will see here order deleted successfully, and now it is gone. If I reload it, it is now here. If I go to dashboard, now I have 2 orders. And also let's change it to, let's put here .2 fixed. So now if I go back to my dashboard, .2 fixed, and put here 2, simply save it. Now if I go back, now it is fine. Okay, so now we're done with the orders. We are successfully processing the order, creating the order, display all the orders. In my next video I will display all the users, and then we'll edit the user and delete the user also. Okay, so I will see you in the next video.